Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived a little girl named Colette Tatou. Colette was known for her kind heart and her love for animals. One day, as she was walking home from school, she found a lost kitten crying by the side of the road. Colette picked up the kitten and took her home. She named the kitten Whiskers and took care of her with love. Whiskers was a beautiful kitten with soft gray fur and bright green eyes. Colette spent every day playing with Whiskers, teaching her tricks and sharing stories. Whiskers was grateful for her new home and the care she received. As the days passed, Colette noticed that Whiskers was not like the other cats. She had a special gift: she could understand what humans said. One day, Colette's friend, a boy named Max, came to visit. Max was always teasing Whiskers and making her scared. Colette scolded Max for his behavior and told him that Whiskers was not a toy, but a living creature that deserved respect. Max felt ashamed and promised to be kinder to Whiskers. From that day on, he and Whiskers became the best of friends, and they spent many happy days together. Colette and Whiskers lived happily together, sharing their love for each other and for animals. They taught their friends and neighbors the importance of kindness and respect for all living creatures. The end.